I'm still here. It's getting to be later in the afternoon, barely holding on. This has been very difficult to try to face this sort of struggle all alone here at home.
Hey, Crave. I'm gonna go to the grocery store. Do you want to come with me?
Unbelievable timing, Ellie. We're on our way to the grocery store to on a mission to acquire some emergency supplies.
No, we're just going to get groceries for the week.
So, can they be like emergency groceries? Look at this. This is what this storm has led us to. Having to forage for roots like our native primitive ancestors. What is this? All right, Ellie, talk us through. What do we have?
Well, we have our 50-50 blend organic spinach and spring mix, which is delicious.
So it's half spinach and half the season of spring. Okay.
We have tomatoes and turmeric and cucumbers.
Now that looks like a 50-50 tomato cucumber bag.
No, there's actually 4 cucumbers, 2, 3 tomatoes. There's some kale.
I feel like an idiot now.
Potatoes. And some celery.
By your estimate, how long can we live off of just this?
Oh, I'd say forever. We can live forever off of vegetables.
Just these? This is going to put the store out of business.
This is a loaves and fishes type situation.
Oh, huh. Go look at the fantastic selection. It's pronounced Look at this guy. Why do I simultaneously want to punch and be punched by this man? It's confusing. Just got done buying our emergency supplies from our friendly local neighborhood small business Whole Foods. And got only the necessities, the bare necessities of life. Sustainable eating, healthy, organic eating, really trying to eating like our ancestors would have during these harsh conditions. Nothing but the essential ingredients. The really roughing it, I think, as far as culinarily roughing it. Culinarily, is that a word? Yeah. So, all in all, a successful trip, Ellie?
Yeah, yours.
Okay.
Wait, did you get a pizza?